This level of increase in our hospitalizations is enough, however, to trigger a stop sign calling for a pause in further reopening plans.
There it is. Don't expect any more restrictions to be lifted anytime soon. As we see coronavirus hospitalizations tick up, that is. Hello, everybody. I'm Denise Koch.
And I'm Rick Ritter. Now, Governor Hogan also announced other measures to prevent the spread of the virus, and they include an expanded mask mandate and a very strong warning not to travel out of state, especially to areas considered hotspots.
This comes as cases in Maryland climb by more than 700, surpassing 86,000 since the pandemic began, and the state reports the highest number of deaths in more than a month.
And we have extensive live team coverage tonight. Let's begin with WJZ investigator Mike Helgren and the new information from the governor.
Rick and Denise, the governor stressed, wear your mask. He says he's not closing down bars or restaurants right now in the state. That new travel advisory is for hotspot states to our south and west, including Georgia and Texas. And if you've been there, you should get tested and quarantined.
It is not a guarantee that we're not going to be in bad shape in the fall or in the months to come.
Governor Hogan says hospitalizations have risen 28% in the past 2 weeks in Maryland, and he'll pause further reopenings, but he's not rolling anything back.
Baltimore City, Baltimore County, and others, they didn't follow our plan when deciding when to open, and they don't have to follow our plan when deciding what to close. They get to do what they want.
Hogan issued a travel advisory asking Marylanders not to travel to 9 states, including Florida, along with an expanded mask order requiring masks indoors and outside when you cannot social distance. It starts Friday.
This expansion of the masking order is an action that is both fact-based, apolitical, and solidly grounded in science.
The governor says 44% of those who've recently tested positive attended a family gathering, 23% attended house parties, and 21% attended outdoor events.
Even I am guilty of this. I had my daughters and son-in-laws and 4 grandkids over, sitting in a room, watching movies with the kids without masks.
1 in 4 of those who've tested positive are in the healthcare industry. Over the weekend, Dr. Joe Costa of Baltimore's Mercy Medical Center died of the virus.
These folks are obviously the heroes and are on the front lines every day in a very risky job.
And the surprise announcement, Deputy Health Secretary Fran Phillips is retiring. A prominent voice during the pandemic, she'll continue to advise the state.
We can put ourselves in control of this virus. What we choose to do today will save lives and will keep Maryland strong.
And Dr. Jinlene Chan, who's currently an assistant health secretary, will take over Dr. Phillips' duties. She urged people to take common sense precautions and avoid large gatherings. Reporting live, Mike Helgren, WJZ.